not steering it also.
Oh, is this him? Oh my gosh.
I think
No,
I'll
it's a
start
different
cleaning
babe.
up the rest.
This is
He's so
Parker John Riffle.
Parker.
Hey, you didn't lie.
Hi, honey. Sweet.
Hey, what do you guys notice?
What do we notice? Big head.
Yeah. Besides his head.
He is in blue, right?
Yeah, yeah.
He has a little bit of hair.
Thank you.
No, not a little bit of hair. Look at
Oh
all
my
that hair.
gosh.
Your hair.
Because Brandon and Dana didn't.
Look at those eyelashes.
Look at the
Boys always get those, don't they?
Yeah, we
Oh my goodness.
Don't splash that in his face.
He won't even see it. And whenever Brooke talks, he quiets down.
We haven't weighed him yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna take him back in the nursery so I can turn the warmer on.